Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a base routine. I'm going to show you guys all the products that I use. I first will start off with my color corrector, definitely a must-have. So first I'm going to use my lip stain. I'm going to leave it on for 30 minutes. This is from Wonder Skin. They are partnering with me in this portion of the video. So I'm going to basically have this on for 30 minutes whilst I do my makeup, and basically it's going to develop over time. So I definitely do recommend to do this before you start your base routine. I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, and guys, I absolutely love this concealer. It is a neutral undertone, so I would recommend to kind of see what undertone you are, because before I used to use like really warm undertones and it didn't really work well with my skin. So definitely check that out before you look for products, but I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that first. Now I'm gonna go in with my contour. I'm using the Fenty Beauty matchstick in Espresso. This is literally my favorite. I've been using it for years, and you kind of want to just place it on all the places that you want to contour. I also use it like right near my eyebrow. I feel like that definitely snatches the look. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it all out, so keep on watching. So with this brush, I absolutely love. It's from Real Techniques. I think it's their buffing brush. I love this brush, guys. It definitely helps with blending. I know blending takes up majority of the makeup process, so getting a good tool definitely really helps speed up the process, and I really love this brush. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it all out. So once that's all blended, I'm going to go in and use my baking powders. I'm using the pressed powder from Huda Beauty in banana bread and also cinnamon bun. Those two are literally my combos. And I'm going to go in with Mocha Mami by Fenty Beauty to kind of bronze my face as well. I love this, guys. I've been using it literally for years. Now I'm going to go ahead and take off the lip stain. It's been on for around 30 minutes or just over. And as you guys can see, it really stains the lips. I love this color, super cute. This is in the shade First Kiss, and then I'm gonna go in with Whim in the inner part of my lips and kind of create that lip combo look. So I'm gonna leave this on for a few seconds, 30 to like a minute, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eyes. I'm using the same Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. I feel like it's just the perfect bronze for me. I feel like under the eyes, it just completes the look. You don't have to do this, but it definitely completes the look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna basically wait until, you know, the lip stain develops. So it's time to take that off as well, and then I'm just going to use some wipes. As you guys can see, love the results. I'm going to go ahead and just apply a gloss on top, but I absolutely love this, guys. Definitely check out Wonder Skin. They have so many colors, so many shades. This will last a few days as well, so yeah, make sure you guys check out the link in the description box down below. So now I'm just setting my face with the Urban Decay Scent Spray. I love this as well, been using it for literally years. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara for my under eyes. And guys, this is literally the end look. I absolutely love this look. This is like my literally go-to for my everyday kind of makeup routine. Definitely let me know if you guys want to see any other makeup looks. Let me know what kind of routines you guys want to see. I'm definitely open to suggestions. And yeah, guys, this is the end look. Let me know what you guys think of this look as well in the comments down below. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys.